Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my game engine project. So over the last few videos we have done quite a few things, but there is one problem. That is, the scenery looks kind of bland. Take this castle for example, which is supposed to look very majestic, but the environment around is all pitch black. So in this episode, we're gonna do a skybox, which in other words is the implementation of cubemaps. So the first thing to do is write a skybox class. The init function sets up the cubemap texture in pretty much the same way as normal textures, except for that 6 images are loaded. The next thing to do is to set up the vertex area object for rendering the cube map. For this, a separate rendering shader had to be used, which can be found in my GitHub repository. This was writing a function to draw the cube map every frame. Now let's put it all together. Let's run the code now. Holy Jesus, what is this?
Wow. One eternity later.
So after a while, I found out it was due to this set vertically on load thing being set to true. Apparently for cube maps it is different. And another problem was due to the phase name order. I originally had the back coming before the front, which makes the textures be rendered in the wrong order. Yeah, now let's run it again. And we can see it renders correctly.